Neuropathy can feel like a life sentence of pain and limited mobility, but there is a natural path to relief right here in Columbus. At Capital City Regenerative Medicine, we have been dedicated to treating patients naturally since 1980. For many, the standard answer is drugs or surgery, but these often only mask the symptoms rather than healing the source. That is why we feature the Sanexas machine, a breakthrough in electric cell signaling technology. Sanexas uses specific frequencies to communicate with your cells, promoting healing and reducing inflammation without invasive procedures. Our goal is to help you avoid surgery and heavy medications, focusing instead on your body's natural ability to recover. Clinical studies show that this data-driven approach effectively restores nerve function for long-term results. Imagine returning to the activities you love, from a walk by the river to simply enjoying a day in the garden. We are proud to be a part of the Columbus community, helping our neighbors regain their quality of life. Our decades of experience combined with advanced technology like Sanexas ensures you receive the highest standard of care. You do not have to rely on a lifetime of prescriptions to manage your neuropathy. By stimulating nerve regeneration, we address the root cause of your discomfort. The treatment is safe, non-invasive, and designed to fit into your active lifestyle. Trust the experts who have been leading the way in natural recovery for over 40 years. Our commitment to the health of our Columbus and Worthington families has never been stronger. Don't let neuropathy dictate your future. Take the first step toward freedom from pain today. We are currently offering a free neuropathy examination to help you determine if our natural approach is right for you. Call our office at 614-436-3870 to schedule your appointment. Join the thousands of patients who have found relief without drugs or surgery. Capital City Regenerative Medicine, natural healing for a better life. Call us today.